Hey everyone! I hope you guys are good. Crypto Cafe here. I hope you guys are having a great day. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be giving you a full run through on Binance. Okay, before we go any further, if you haven't already, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. You don't want to miss out on any important notifications. So many important notifications during this time. You don't want to miss out, so definitely do that. Before we go any further, just to let you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a crypto lover, crypto enthusiast. So anything I tell you, do your own research. But yeah, basically. Okay, let's jump straight to it. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you a Binance tutorial. A lot of people have been asking for this. A lot of people, when they are trading crypto, they use Binance. Binance is a very, very popular one to use. They have a lot of great altcoin gems. They're very, very straightforward to use, and it's a nice one to use. I've been using it myself for a while now, and it's just really, really great to use, and a lot of our coins are here. So yeah, we get used to using Binance, a lot of us, which is really, really cool. And you can trade and you can purchase, and I'll show you the whole process. By the time that you finish watching this video, you'll be a pro on Binance. Okay, cool. Let's just jump straight to it. Okay, so once you log into Binance, here we go. Setting up your Binance account is super, super simple. You do have to do verification, so they ask for your passport, they take a picture of you, you put your date of birth, all that good stuff. But once you are verified and all that good stuff, you can log into your Binance account. Okay, cool. Once you come to your Binance account, the first thing you'll see over here, as you can see, you would see a button over here at the top that says buy crypto. You'd probably want to buy crypto, possibly, likely, yeah? Okay, cool. There's different ways you can do so. So they tell you can, with this bit, the first thing it says pay with. I'm in London, so I always put mine in GBP, but depending on where you are, if you're in Europe, if you're in America, wherever you are, you'll change it to your own currency. Whatever you prefer, maybe you just want to keep it in dollars. A lot of people use dollars all around the world, wherever, but I've made mine GBP. I love Elite. And then once that, then you have the options of how you would want to pay for crypto. There's so many different ways of paying for crypto, which they make available for you. You can pay with bank deposit, you can pay with credit card, you can pay P2P trading. I like paying with that bank deposit. I'll just show you the bank deposit way. The good thing about paying with bank deposit is very, very straightforward, and it's zero fees. So if you can pay with bank deposit and you use your bank account regularly, which I'm sure you probably do, pay with bank deposit because it's super, super simple to do. When you go into this bit, you click on GBP, go on this bit, you go, they have an option, as you can see over here, faster payments, and it's zero fee. You can click on that bit. I'll show you both parts anyways. But yeah, as you can see, it's zero to do, right? You have to type in an amount that you want to do. So just say you want to do, let's say you want to do $100, £100. Look at me saying $100. Okay, and what they do is now, okay, they give you important notes. They tell you that this is very, very important. You're going to need to, you need to be the receiver, the pay, the beneficiary name must be Binance. So they tell you what you need to put. But I'll show you the whole process. It's fine. When this pops up, I always click X, probably because I know, but they give you all the details. Just make this clear, you have to put these details in correctly, and you have to be doing it from your bank account, okay? So they tell you over here, the receiver pay beneficiary name is Binance, because it's Binance. They give you their sort code, they give you account number, and they give you the reference code. Put these in correctly. Just to make it clear, use the bank details below to make it clear, to make sure they receive their money. It's super, super simple to do, and they receive the funds super, super quick. I've used it myself many, many times, and it's so quick. Literally, they receive the funds in minutes most of the time. Don't quote me on that because maybe it's different for different people. But when I transfer money to my Binance account, it's there like in like 5 minutes or maybe even less. Okay, cool. So make sure you put these details in correctly, and make sure you're doing it from your bank account. So when they receive it, it's coming up as your name. It's very, very important. Apparently you can't just do it from someone else's bank account, and yeah, you want them to receive the money. And then when they receive the money, it just ends up in your deposit, like it ends up in your balance, so you can purchase crypto that way. Another way you can do it, you can just do it from your bank card. Over here, this is another way of doing it. But as you can see, it's a 1.8 fee when we can be paying zero fees. We're trying to not pay fees here, right? Okay, so I always do faster payments, of course. I've never done the bank card way because I don't want to pay a 1.8 fee. Too many fees in this life as it is. Like, I'm trying to not pay any extra fees. Okay, cool. But if you did do it with the bank card, as mentioned, you'll pay a 1.8 free. And like, just say you're going to pay £100. Let's type in £100 in here. It'll cost you £1.80 transaction fee when you could just pay no fees. I'm probably pushing these no fees, right? But don't worry, you can use your bank card. I know people that use their bank card for it and pay the fee. So if it's long, you transfer it into your bank account, you don't want to do the whole beneficiary name, you're in a rush, There's no harm in using your bank card. They take MasterCard, Visa. Most of us all use MasterCard, Visa, right? We all use MasterCard, Visa. Once you've done that, you simply click on continue, and they just tell you to put in your bank details. Okay, so it's nice and simple. Very, very, very simple to do. Make sure you're using your own bank card as mentioned before, just because they always want to see that it's from your name. It's just the way it is. I don't make the rules, but that's just how it is. Okay, cool, lovely. So once you've done that, that's the different ways of making it. I would say leave out the P2P trading. There's no point of you doing it that way. I think it's just easier to do if you're going to pay for crypto, use your bank deposit, use a credit card. I think because you're new, these are the best ways to do it. It's a simple. And then over here, as you can see, you click on markets. We're going to move on to markets, and they show you spot markets. So they show you BNB markets, BTC markets, alt markets. So this out, that stands for altcoins. Out markets, fiat markets. Okay, cool. This is basically, just say you are trying to put in a trade, for example, and you want to do let me show you. Let's do what currency comes to my head. Let's do Polkadot. We're doing Polkadot against BTC. This is what you simply do. You can simply type it in there and click on trade, and then they say, do you want to do advanced trade, classic trade, and then you can choose what version you want to do. If you're looking for more trading, you can do advanced trade or classic trade. Surprisingly, advanced trade is really, really good to do. Feel free to do classic trade. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put in a trade in a second. It's very, very nice and simple to do. So that's basically what it means by markets. When you're picking altcoin gems and stuff, you can go in the markets. You can see coins against BNB. You can see coins against BTC. You can check fiat markets just over here. You can see against you can see fiat markets over here. So something's classic, ETH against USDT, and all that kind of good stuff. So it's really, really simple to do. For example, if you want to put in a trade and then you want to convert, like, okay, I'm going to show you different ways. So if you want to trade, just say you've bought a whole load of ETH, for example, and then now you bought a whole load of ETH and you want to convert it to BTC. This is exactly what you'll do. You go on trade and you'll click on convert. Okay. So what you'll do here is just say it was. Let me see. I'm trying to pick currency. Okay, let's say you've got. Okay, I haven't got any ETH. I'm trying to. Okay, I haven't got any. See, I'm showing you with no balance, basically. But just say you had just say you had ETH. Let's just say you had ETH, and I'm gonna say you had 0.1 ETH. I haven't, by the way. And you wanted to change it for BTC. You'll simply type in 0.1 ETH, change it for BTC, plus preview conversion. I'll show you what the amount you're going to get for it. Like the rate is what the amount you're going to get for it. And you have to confirm and get it. Nice and simple. I usually convert things all the time. Just say you wanted to go into classic. I'm just going to click on it just to show you. This is when you're doing your trade. Okay, let's get this off. You know, when these pop-ups come up. How to spot trade, they're going to show you, so you can watch this video. When it pops up on yours, feel free to watch it. I don't watch it because I put in these trades all the time, so I'm not saying I'm some pro, but you know. Okay, cool. And they're just showing you, okay, BTC against USDT. It's very, very nice and simple. Like, it's nice and simple to use. I'm going to show you how to do it a different way though. Okay, so as you can see, this is just an example of BTC USDT. You can see the orders coming in on the sides. Okay, then you have buy, sell BTC. So just say you want to put in a buy order, for example. You can do it at market. Like, the reason why you'll do market is because it will give you exactly what it is now. So I haven't got any money in this account to even show you, but but yeah, basically it'll take the market now. So it'll be me buying it right now based on the market value. So I'll be buying it right now. Okay, so I'll be buying. Right this second, I'll be buying BTC so I'll be buying BTC against USDT, and I'll be buying BTC right now based on this amount. So this is the price I'll get in on that. If I wanted to, for example, I didn't want to do that and I wanted to put in a limit, I could put in a limit order. Yeah. So it will have to get to that amount before it activates. You can put a limit order. I usually do market, I'll be honest. I usually wait to see what's the charts. When it goes to the number I want, I put in market. But you can put in a limit order, of course. You can just simply click on limit over there. You can put a limit order, or you can just go by market. And if you want to sell, it's exactly the same thing. You can do it like you can sell based on market, or you can put in a limit order if you prefer. But obviously, as mentioned, I mainly do it by market. I usually watch the charts, see it's the number I want, and then put it in like that. Okay, so it's completely up to you. Okay, we're just going to go back now so I can show you some other stuff. Okay, lovely. Okay, so we showed you the classic. I'm going to show you advanced because advanced is really nice to use. I know a lot of people, when you say advanced, they don't really want to. Okay, you're going to see the order books are popping up. Over here, advanced is really, really nice to use. As you can see, they've given you BTC against USDT. And then if you want to put in your orders, it's very, very simple to do. Apparently, this the fees are better doing it from advanced. Someone told me that, so that's why I do it on advanced. But yeah, if you want to do classics, pretty simple. Super, super simple. As you can see, BTC against USDT. So if you want to buy, you simply click on market over here. And then it'll give you the price that it is exactly on right now, which is the price over here. And then you can drag it. So for example, if I wanted to put whatever I've got in my balance, for example, if I wanted to put 100% of that, like I want to buy 50% or buy 100%, I can drag it. So I don't need to type in the amount, it just works out for me and I can drag, okay? That's what I usually do actually. To be fair, I usually drag. But sometimes when I'm trying to drag an exact number and it's been a bit funny, like if I'm trying to get like 50% and my hands are all jiggery, I just type the amount I want. So you can do that. And as mentioned before, you can put a limit or you can put a stop limit, yeah? So if you want it to go to certain numbers before it activates, you can do a limit or stop limit. I always do market. I sit and watch the charts and I'm like, boom, it gets that number. I am buying now. And it's the same if you want to sell. So if you want to sell, you just click on the sell button over here and it'll go red. That's how you know you're selling. Because you know when you're trying to buy and you sell, you're like, whoa, what's going on? But yeah, just it's really, really nice and simple. Buy and sell. Buy is green, green for go. Like, you know, when you're in a car and it's green light, shoom, and sell is for selling, and it's red. Okay, lovely. So as you can see, it's very, very nice to put in the trade. We're gonna go back now. Okay, so as you can see that we looked at classic, we looked at advanced, and then we've got margin, and then we've got P2P, and then got stock. Okay, and then over here, finances. Okay, so you can Binance have some of their own kind of stuff. So they got their Visa card. I haven't taken part in any of that stuff before, and all that stuff. And then over here you've got your wallet. With your wallet, when you click on wallet and overview, it will show you overview balance. It will show you your fiat against your spot, and then orders will show you your orders. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna show you some other stuff, guys. For example, let's go straight to the home page. Okay, let it just load. Okay, just so you can see some coin. You can see some coins over here. For example, let's click on BNB, for example. If you want to put in a trade, that's a quick way of doing it also. I'm going to show you another way of, like, when I find a coin and I want to get it from Binance, what I do, I go on to, this is still a Binance tutorial, but this is what I do. I go to CoinGecko and I type in a coin. Okay, let's just, I feel like I keep doing Polkadot, right? Be honest. Let me just do Polkadot. It's in my head. I can't help myself. Okay, cool. So let's click on Polkadot. Just say I wanted to buy Polkadot now. And I wanted to get it. I'm going to get it from Binance, obviously, because I'm just showing you guys for example. Okay, and I want to get Binance. I want to get it against USDT. I simply click on this over here and it'll take me straight into it. This is how I do it sometimes. I know it might seem a bit long, but I find it really simple. That's what I wanted to show you guys. Just say you want to get against certain pairs. So you want to get against USDT, you want to get against a Bitcoin or ETH or whatever you wanted to get, depending on the pair of the currency or the altcoin. Do it the way I did it. I think it's a really, really nice, quick way of doing it. And then simply you see the chart over here, and then you can make it market, and then you can buy. So just say I was trying to buy. Just say I've got. Let's just bear in mind that I've got a nice amount of USDT in here. I don't, but let's just say I do. I drag it, and I can buy. Boom, nice and simple. Okay, that's just a way that I do. I wanted to show you guys that because sometimes everyone does it differently. And then over here, once you're on the home page, buy and sell crypto in minutes. Click on buy. I just want to show you, just in case you click on anything. I don't want you guys to be lost. I want you to be like confident and know what you're doing. So I'm going to show you all different things that can pop up. Select a coin that you want to buy. Let's say we want to buy some ETH. Everyone needs a bit of ETH in their life. Okay, and this is what you can do. If you want to buy ETH, the way that I told you, you know how you can deposit money to your bank account? Let's just bear in mind, let's pretend we've deposited money to our bank account right now. Right about now, our bank account balance is 0, by the way. But let's just say we deposit money to bank account. We can simply buy ETH directly from our bank account. Like, just say, I'm going to say I'm going to do £100. And then I'm going to click on continue. And it says, basically, as you can see, I haven't put anything into my account because obviously I'm just showing you guys for an example. It will just say I haven't got enough, but just say you do have enough. You can simply click on that and buy it directly. Do you see how quickly that was? Just say you deposited. Remember in the beginning of the video, we said, okay, you want to deposit money to your bank account. Just imagine you put money in your bank account, your Binance account. It will show up as your cash balance, meaning I can simply type in 100 and click on cash balance and buy ETH. Nice and simple, yeah. Lovely. Okay, cool. I just wanted to show you that, just in case you were like on the page thinking, how do I buy it? You simply saw what I did, right? And as you can see, if you want to put in trades, you simply can just type the pair in and put in a trade that you want. But if you want to buy, just say you wanted to, let's try and buy another coin. I hope you guys get what I mean. You simply just select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. This doesn't go for every single cryptocurrency pair, by the way. It depends on the pair that you're doing. With some altcoin gems, you have to get them against something else, against certain stable coins. So against USDT is a stable coin, Bitcoin is a stable coin, ETH is a stable coin, BUSD, sometimes against BNB, you get against one of these stable coins. And then you can put in the transaction. But for certain coins, you can just purchase the exact same way that I showed you. You've got account balance and you just purchase. And you can purchase it with your cash balance that you have deposited it into your Binance account, yeah? So nice and simple. Nice and simple. If there's anything else you guys want to find out, I think that's a nice straightforward tutorial. If you're brand new to Binance, you want to start putting in trades, you want to start buying cryptocurrency, nice, simple, easy way of doing it. That's exactly how I started. Did it nice, simple way. If there's anything you want to ask me and that I may have missed out in this video, ask me in the comments below. I'm more than happy to help. I'm going to leave a Binance link so you guys can get started straight away and get onto this, buying your cryptocurrencies. But if there's anything you want to ask, like you don't have to do anything, you don't understand anything, you don't understand anything about fiat or spot or putting in a trade or buying a particular coin or deposit into your account or anything to do with the Binance tutorial, feel free to write me a comment below. Hope this was helpful, and I'm wishing you the best of success with everything you do. Wishing you a great day. Bye.